Kalaban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School minta ka kinti kalayo banbad haka bayade bad ka jingyo abad ya ka kerdan beningkong haka examen HSSLC haka bayade bad ka subject science balapinya da ka embos minta ka sngi. Halor ka subject science ubalayo banbad ya ka kerdan beningkong uday usuhan bata chargi ubade na kalaban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School bad ubawan baar uday usamla Gordon Kupar Nombri nasin Ademan Higher Secondary School. Kalaban Bengali kalabat ikakedan beningkong nadu usnem arja arpulai bat minta usnem arja arpusau. Kat bah kaliang jongka commerce layo ban bad hakakedan beningkong daka St Mary's Higher Secondary School ya kabayo daka Samla Ferry Filari Shawan bad hakakedan baar layo ban bad da Uraj Paul na St Anthony's Higher Secondary School.
Feeling extremely happy, very much grateful to my teachers, my friends, and also to some of the teachers from some other schools who have gone out from their way to help me.
Absolutely delighted. Absolutely delighted by the results. I genuinely never expected this actually, but still it hopefully happened in my way. Mainly it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10-15 hours a day you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible. So now it's a mixed emotion. Right now I'm still shocked that how I got that. Never expected about getting the first rank or anything. Just shocked right now. So scoring 100 credit goes to my teacher. She really helped me a lot. Whenever I had doubts, even at 10, 11 o'clock I called her. She gave me a reply. So it's all credit goes to her. Thank you so much, miss, for helping me, not only in physics and all the department. All the teachers are really amazing here.
Journey was smooth, actually smooth. It was not rough, not difficult, not anything other than that. It was smooth. It was not any hard to get that position.
Okay.
Pankaj Datta.
What's on your mind right now?
No, mine. It is now void actually because my aim was to get my name there, not on the board. So that's why these things motivated me for getting this rank for third. I didn't even realize that I was not sure that I would get this third rank. I thought that I would get under 10 and some rank, but not third. But this is actually amazing.